Let me introduce you to the most powerful DAX function. This function is something that we'll continue to use. It is a function that you quickly need to learn to master for you to continue to author your DAX formulas. And it is nothing but the calculate function, which is the only function that can completely alter the filter context. So we have mentioned that there are two contexts. There is the row context and there is a filter context. So the only function that is allowed to completely alter that filter context, it allows us to play with the filter context anyhow we like, is the calculate function. And it does flow through relationships. So for example, the other time we were writing this measure saying sum x of filtered table that the related something is equals to this. So with calculate function, you don't need to use related anymore, because calculate will already see that the table you are trying to filter is related to what you need. And it also performs something we call context transition. Of course, example is going to make all of this a lot clearer, and we are going to start with a very weird one, which is context transition. So we'll quickly see what we mean by context transition, which is basically when your calculation is starting from a row context and you are trying to convert that into an equivalent filter context. So let's see that with the aid of some examples.